Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that has the channel membership. Make sure you use the correct profile. Once signed in, click or tap your profile icon in the top right corner. On mobile, it's the same icon. Next, choose Purchases and Memberships or Paid Memberships from the menu. This opens a list of active channel memberships. You do this first so you can directly manage subscriptions rather than hunting through channel pages or video prompts. Once the membership screen loads, scan the list and locate the specific channel you want to cancel. Click or tap Manage beside that channel to reveal billing, renewal date, and plan details. This is where the cancel controls live. Make sure to check the renewal date so you understand timing, then open membership settings to see the cancellation option. You do this because some channels offer pause or downgrade alternatives, and you want the cancel flow, not a change to a different tier. Now select Cancel Membership and follow prompts. You may be asked why, so pick an option, then confirm the cancellation. Once done, check your email for a confirmation message and return to Purchases and Memberships to verify the status shows canceled or expiring. This ensures you won't be charged again. If cancellation fails, switch between app and browser, clear cache and cookies, or sign out and back in. And if problems persist, contact Google support for help. They can resolve billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.